So if you're putting skirting in and then the angle's not lining up because the floor is out, the floor, see it gets lower over this side. So I need to lift, as I lift this side up, it lines up. So to fix that, you can either cut a little bit out from the bottom of the board, or what you can do is put some packers underneath like this. So I put 3 packers there, and then now that's lining up a lot better. So probably could go up a tiny bit more. Maybe I'll add another packer. Okay, I've added another packer and the angle's a lot better. It lines up a lot better. So you mark your, come to the saw, you put the piece on and put all those packers, the same amount of packers, over this side, so the opposite side. That way it lifts it up. And then I cut that, so I've already cut that. And then when you put it back in, the angle's a lot better. See that? See, there's a little gap on top, but I'll fix that up. So bring that around there, mark the length, mark it to length, and go and cut it. So as you can see, that turned out really good. And I put this little piece on, so that's good. So that's how you deal with that issue when the floor is running out. You pack that side up, and yeah, then you go to the drop saw and pack the opposite side and cut it, and then it'll cut it to the right angle, and then it'll end up, your miter will end up nice and tight. So yeah, hope that helped.